When you hang out with people that can bring the drama, you need shatterproof glass. I don't know how to stop drama from happening. Hi, I'm Garcelle Beauvais, and I love my outdoor space. My sense of style when it comes to entertaining is really relaxed, casual, fun, and making sure that everybody has a good time. In my childhood, no matter if there were 4 people or 50 people, it was always a party. We always had great food and music, and we just enjoyed each other's company. My inspiration for today is really earthy, elegant, nothing too fussy, and I love color. So who wouldn't want to come and sit at this table with me? So these palms come with a very long stem, but instead of using them in a vase, which I could do, I decided I was gonna layer it on top of the charger and then put the plate on it just for another texture, another look, just to make it seem like I tried really hard. Well, you look at this beautiful yellow umbrella. It just brings a lot of sunshine into this space and makes everybody happy. It makes me happy. Listen, I hang around with a lot of shady people. It's nice to bring in something fun and light. I am obsessed with this table, but the best part, you're gonna die. It's this lazy Susan that's inlaid in the table. So you don't have to say, pass me the salt, pass me the raspberries, because you can just get it yourself. I love it. My dream dinner party with anybody would be Brad Pitt, Michelle Obama, Idris Elba, but single Idris Elba. Not married Idris Elba. Oh, yeah, and then maybe Michael Strahan, too. My sense of style has evolved over the years with not being so perfect. Everything doesn't have to be perfect. Don't stress about it. What I really like to do is get to the point before the guests come to be done so that I can enjoy the guests and I'm not in the kitchen or I'm not running around, that I can enjoy my friends while entertaining. People never want to leave my parties, by the way. There is a Haitian hack about putting a broom upside down behind the door. I guarantee you people leave immediately. Thanks for hanging out with me, guys. Cheers.